Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel, welcome back to the vlog. Been like 2 months since I've uploaded a video, but that's okay. Haven't had the truck, hard to do truck content without the truck. Oh, here comes my wife. James, say hi to the vlog.
Hi vlog, I think this is your truck payment. Perfect timing.
No, I don't, those are electronic.
Oh.
Don't tell the vlog I have a truck payment, James. Anyways, the truck's back. I figured I would start off this vlog and a series of vlogs by doing something easy. So today we are going to do a quick little oil change. I'm going to show you my easy drain plug. I think that's the brand. I'll show you where I got it from. Makes oil changing so much easier. So me and my wife are going to take a quick little ride together, and you know, we'll kind of update you what's been going on the last 2 weeks. We're new parents, and it's challenging, but it's some of the best times ever. Our little daughter is 2 months old yesterday, and she is perfect. Update, S300 kit, sold. Worked out perfectly because, as you can see, I'm refabricating the WcFab boxes. So I've got everything nice and bubble wrapped up. Here's the S369 charger. The guy that purchased this is getting literally everything off my truck. As you saw in 2 videos before this, I believe, you saw that I went with black clamps and black badges. You can see that this is, what is it, the stainless steel and stainless steel clamps. So he's getting everything, the air box, the coolant tank, the driver's side, passenger side, upper coolant pipe, everything that you would want to dress up the underneath the hood, except the brake reservoir. So this will be getting sent out today. No, not today. This will be getting sent out next week. Some updates to the garage. Got some shelving. This is a safe rack, 500 pounds per shelf. I'm using this for now. I don't know if I'm going to keep it. I really don't know if I'm going to keep it. But drywall guy was supposed to be coming. I got backed up. I'm going from fluorescents to LEDs. Haven't gotten around to doing this yet. And then I'm going to clear off everything, and then we'll have the garage paint ready. So hopefully between the finishing the drywall and the LEDs, that might be all I get to this year. Would like to throw some paint on it, and that will definitely call it a year. And then I'll get things back rearranged on the wall where I need them to be. So yeah, that's it for now. Me and my wife are going to take a quick ride. I got to go get some oil. I am going to use Mobile One. If I can't, I'll get Rotella, and I think it's 5W40 CJ4, I think. What are you guys using? Drop a comment below. Let me know what you guys are using. Quick plug, if you need L5P parts and for tuning, let me know. I can get you everything that you're needing, including nice fancy S400 kits, probably nice fancy S300 kits. Yeah, so go ahead and let me know. As you see, we've done some car rearranging so I can make room for said oil change. So yeah, that's what we're gonna be doing. Quick change of plans. Me and my wife are gonna go together. However, Chubby Bunny woke up from a nap, and we can't go because my mom is up from Florida and doing things, and we need to attend to little right baby Madeline. Oh, you got hiccups for the vlog? Honey, do you want to be on the vlog?
Her hair is already windblown, just thinking about the truck.
Yeah, look at her. Hey, calm down. They're just hiccups. You'll be okay. You want to be on the vlog? Do you want to be on the vlog? Look at the camera. She's not even camera shy.
No, I think she's ready.
She is ready. She's definitely going to be on the next vlog a little bit more, guys. I'm looking forward to having her grow up around trucks, cars, outside things. We don't know what she's going to do yet or what she wants to be, but we love her, and she's the cutest little thing. She's the cutest little thing I ever did see. Look at this hair. Check this hair out. Yeah. Hey.
Say hi, Madeline. Oh, say bye, Madeline.
Say bye to the vlog. Running out of battery. That's what the problem is. So we're gonna have to charge because I haven't vlogged in forever. So anyways, I'm gonna get this battery charged. I'm gonna come back and take you through the easy drain, whatever you want to call it, for the oil drain plug. And we'll call that a wrap, and then I'll really get into the S400 kit, which you guys are looking to see on the next vlog. So I'm gonna take the, since I don't want the oil in the engine to get hot, I'm gonna be taking the certified air purifier on this trip. So we're gonna be taking the cruise. Truck's gonna be staying. Man, she's so pretty though. Look at that. And battery's dying. And we're back. So the verdict is Mobil 1. You guys can, you know, you can let me know what you think about Mobil 1 versus Rotella. I don't know, I've been using 5W40 ever since I started doing my own oil changes after the first 2 free oil changes. Drop comments below. Again, let me know what you use. We're gonna be pairing that with some American flag. Make America Great Again flags that have to go up. Trump. Specially forged. This has to get put on my back windshield. I went ham on the AC Delco filters last time because GM went on strike and I didn't have any. So yeah, we're going to be pairing this with the AC Delco filter. We're going to get that Fram out of there that all you guys have been harassing me about. But anyways, created our third parking lot over here. And I don't want to get it too hot, but oh man, listen to that. Okay. We're gonna get into that in the next vlog. Just wanted to give you a little sneak peek. Yeah, how am I doing? I miss this interior so much. I can't begin to tell you. Yeah guys, we got dash lights. There's no check engine lights, we got dash lights. Stability track, ABS, it's all tied in with one each other. When we pulled the suspension off, my ABS sensor over on the driver's side is corroded. I haven't gotten a chance to getting that replaced yet, but as soon as I get that replaced, these lights will go away. But yeah, we've got 13% oil left. And I just want to get this changed. I want to get that frame filter off. So that's what we're going to be doing. Alright, we're just going to back up. Anyone tell me why, I don't know, maybe it's because it's been disconnected for so long, why it's calibrating every time I idle now versus, you know, north, south, east, west versus the compass. I start driving. As soon as I leave my street, it goes to north, south, east, and west, and it seems to figure itself out. But for the meantime, this is what it does.
Protesters new country. Hi everyone, this is WcFab and thanks for coming. This record, alright. This is on the menu.
We're getting new covers and switches once we get the garage done. GM pushed out like a new, like, I saw it in my email, an update to the navigation. I'm wondering if that has anything to do with it, or if I'm wondering it's just because I had the battery off and the truck undone for like 4 months, 3 months. Come on, man, you forget how to do this? Oh, the goods, the goods. Oh boy. You guys want to see? You guys want to see? There it is. New video. Now's the easy drain. So guys, I'm gonna get set up under here. I'm gonna show you the easy drain plug. I'm gonna wipe that water up so I don't get wet. And we're gonna at least get this drained, and then we'll get this fixed. Yeah, I know, you guys wanna see that too. We're not doing that this vlog. All right guys, set up under the truck right now. All right guys, set up underneath the truck. I have my easy drain plug already installed. Yes, we're gonna get to this next week. Man, does this look so good. Woo. So good. So basically, when I got this easy drain valve, on one of the oil changes that I did, all I had to do was, when I undid the drain plug and let it drain, this screws in. I used the crescent wrench, tighten it up nice and tight. And then this is an easy drain plug. So literally all my oil changes consist of this. Let me go get the pan. And ideally, all I have to do is this. And then it drains. Hoping we get 10 quarts out. Probably not going to be 10 quarts, but yeah. This is the easiest thing ever for an oil change. And well, why not come back to the vlog with one of the easiest things to do ever. So guys, we're going to let this drain, and we will come back and I will finish up this vlog, and I'll see you guys in the next one. But for now, we're just going to let this continue to drain. For it now that the oil's drained. Uh-oh, why is this? Oh well, I can't see it. Time to get this Fram oil filter out of here. So let's see if we can do this without making a ton of mess. I should just be able to. Nope. Yep. All over the powder coat. How you doing? Does anyone have a better method for this? 'Cause I'm listening. Alright folks, all we got left to do is fill it up, check it. So I'll be back with you guys as soon as that's done. Yes, next week. Next week, I keep promising. Alright guys, that wraps things back up. Thank you for tuning in to another video. If you haven't already, subscribe to this YouTube channel, like this video guys. A lot of S400 content is coming back up. If you see, I've got the truck all tucked in. And this is where she is going to be spending the evening. Got a long day of work tomorrow, helping a buddy remodel his bathroom. So we're gonna get the truck packed up in the morning and head over there. But anyways guys, thank you so much again for your support. Thank you for your comments on Instagram, YouTube, wondering where I've been. I'm here, waiting for the truck to get back. It's back. Like this video, subscribe. I'll see you on the next one. See ya.